make this quick because I got a lot of distractions. So I'm gonna make it quick. Hear me? All right. So I got this cup that's gonna make it beautiful. You can't be fucking serious. It's already made. So I got this much water, and I cut up half a cucumber. And I took some peels off for decoration. You see what's going on? So I got my strainer because I don't today. Usually I would drink all that. This is the flesh from the cucumber, but right now I just want the color. So, oh shit. Ooh, you got an ice tray? I can turn this shit into ice right here. Ice tray again. I'm going to be using this flesh that I'm straining right now as ice for my drinks in the future. Can I borrow your license plate for 30 minutes? Oh, hell no. Yes. Please, I just need to drive. So right now, we at the end, and we got this beautiful cucumber juice. Okay? And this is how they do it when I go to a restaurant. So I'm going to just copy what they do. They roll it up. All pretty like. And then they put a toothpick through it. This one ugly. This one don't look cute. I'm gonna stick it through here and stick it through there. Which one look prettier? This one or this one? Because I like vegetables and I like fruits and shit. Day. Y'all can add alcohol to this. That's the end of the video. Bye.